Everybody, so back at the Roadster Show here in Pomona, and I'm with John Canals, and did I pronounce it right?
Yep, that's right. That's right. You betcha.
Hey, this is awesome, man. So we walked in, and GFK is here in full force. Tell us a little bit about, everyone that's here, man.
We just brought, we had 17 spots. Unfortunately, we got 15 cars here this year. It's a real honor to be inside. There is a couple Volkswagens outside, but to be inside the Roadster Show, it's a very big honor.
Yeah, this is nice.
From Carlos's 23 window to all the cars here.
Let's take a walk. I'll follow you and tell us what we're looking at here.
This is a Paul SMOOT'S 59 car. Very nice car. Basically, if you look or see our style is basically lower to the ground. Of course, Porsche alloys.
Yep.
A couple cars have 5 spokes. But
Tony was telling us it got to be the real deal.
Yeah, exactly. Have to be the real deal. This is Frank's beautiful 58. The color just inside with the light just makes this color stand out.
Big time.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that steering wheel.
Yeah, very nice.
Unbelievable.
Richie's notch, Notchback, nothing wrong with that at all.
No, early too.
Yeah, 62.
So
62. Beautiful notch. Yeah. And actually, we just had 15 of our guys at the Vegas Lowrider Show.
Oh my gosh.
2 months ago.
So you guys are everywhere.
Cool. Yeah, they go and travel, yes.
Very cool.
Justin's car, 61. Kind of revamped. He's had it for over 10 years, but has revamped it. So, yeah, it's beautiful.
And is the requirement anything on the engine's got to be big, right? But
not really. We have some guys that have stock motors.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
We used to be known for having stock motors, but now a lot of people are doing big motors.
Gotcha.
So this is Mario's car. It's 58. Another beautiful car.
That's steering wheel.
Because a lot of people in the club do have daily drivers with stock motors, but when we go for the show cars, we want a bigger motor.
Right. That makes sense.
This car is actually Ruben. He's actually the founder of the club back in '82.
Oh, wow.
He's been back in the club now for probably about 10 years. And this is his newest vehicle.
Love the
It's
color.
a 55 hardtop.
Love that color.
So it's kind of nice to see the founder of the club back in it.
Oh, yeah.
This is Paul Salinas' right-hand drive.
Yeah, well, I saw this earlier and I thought, hey, right-hand drive.
Oh, yeah. It's got 2 right-hand drives here today.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. Accessories, all hard to find accessories. This is Joe's 58. Very nice. Contrast mirrors, everything you see. Accessories. That's the thing. He's one of the cars that went to the Lowrider Show and actually won an award.
Really?
Yeah, 300 cars won an award at the Lowrider Show. First time we took our cars to the Lowrider Show.
So we know what you're going to get, huh?
Yes. This is a brand new car. Been out only about 2 months.
And what color is this?
I think it's ultramarine. Or it could be a little bit shade different.
Okay.
Base is ultramarine.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very nice.
Look at that radio. I love all of the accessories.
Of course, big split window. That's why it's a new car also. Less than a year.
Really?
Even hot windows and everything like that already.
Oh, I do remember this one, yes.
Don't know exactly the color of it. It's some type of green, but I know the combo is making some round. Very nice 51.
What a beauty.
And here's another right-hand drive, Carlos's right-hand drive. Very nice.
My buddy's car right there.
Even got the spotlight mirror.
Yeah, that's... and trip speedo.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, look at the grab handle too. Beautiful.
This one, of course, is Bob Koch's beautiful car. He's known for restoring steering wheels for years.
Yep.
He sells accessories, as you know.
Yes, sir.
This thing is. I actually got to drive it on Thursday.
Did you?
So it's kind of nice, yeah. It's very, very nice car.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. He's actually up north at Turlock right now, a big swap meet.
Oh, really?
So he had us drop it off. We're
Very
going to
cool.
get it all cleaned up for him like we do every time.
That is awesome.
And then CRG's bus.
Yeah, no, I saw that.
23
when
window,
you walk
you
in.
can't-
Oh, just gorgeous.
Yeah. This thing is
Absolutely gorgeous. Well, that's pretty awesome, man.
it's just
Congratulations.
honored to be inside here. I really do.
Yeah,
You
no
don't-
kidding.
You
I
don't see it a
know.
lot.
So
Yeah.
you think maybe someday we'll fill up the
Oh,
whole
it'd be
hall? huh?
nice. I would love to have a whole hall here at Volkswagens.
That'd be awesome.
That would be nice. Yes.
Well, thank you for the time and thank
no
you for your
problem.
tour.
All right.
Appreciate
Thank you very
it.
much.
Congrats.
All right.